Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito, di ba? Guitar tutorial tayo ng Pare Ko by Eraserheads. Madali lang po yung chords niya at kayang-kaya ng mga beginner. Okay, ang mga chords ay G, C, A minor, at D. And then pagdating naman sa strumming pattern, sa intro tayo, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Try natin sa G, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And then C, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. And then sa verse, pare ko, meron akong problema, wag mong sabihin na naman. Tinlag ako sa isang kolehiyala, di ko maintindihan. Wag na natin idaan sa maboteng usapan, lalo lang madadagdagan ang sakit ng ulo at hindi sa tiyan. Okay, pagdating sa C, bali na bago na yung strumming pattern. Ang ginamit ay down, down, up, down, up. And then sa D, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Sakit ng ulo at bilbil sa tiyan. Then balik lang sa verse 2. Kami naging magkaibigan, napunuan ko ng pag-asa. Yun pala, hanggang doon lang ang kaya. Akala ko ay pwede pa. Masakit na isipin, kailangan kung kailan ka naging seryoso sa kanya. And then sa chorus, ang mga chords ay G, D, E minor, at C. And then strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up. Sa G, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito, di ba? Namukha ako, inaasa niya lang ako. Andiyan, pag-ibig ito. Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito? Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, yan po ang chorus. Pagkatapos ng chorus, balik lang sa verse. Kagaya pa rin ng chords at strumming pattern sa verse 1. And then sa bridge naman, ng mga chords ay A minor, C, G, at D. And then strumming pattern, kagaya lang ng sa chorus, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Pero minamahal ko siya. Ilan verse lang ulit, kagaya pa rin ng pinag-aralan natin kanina.